Leave you on. Go on, go in front of him. Go in front of him.
Please.
Fucking electric car.
Look at him. That old pulling out the back of his van.
Look how close he is to the car in front.
Well,
Oh, you. Oh my god!
fucking hell. Fucking idiot. Total
She absolutely loved it. She hated me. Little me. What? Come on. What?
Go on. Fucking look at me. Go.
Tell me something I don't already know.
Fun.
love you.
I love you too. What are you doing? You learned how to indicate before. What are you doing? Seriously? Sorry.
Sorry, Kristen. Yeah, no. Yeah, they came over without indicating. And then brake.
And brake checked me twice.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. What was he indicating?
Why's your fog light on? What are you doing?
Probably an old person who shouldn't be driving.
I don't think it is.
Yeah, this person doesn't know what and how they're doing.
She still doesn't. I think she was pulling over because she wanted me to get out of front. I'm serious.
Yeah.
Like,
Right, honestly.
again, why is the fog light still on? I just don't get it. What are you doing?
Whoa! What was that?
Stop! Whoa! Fucking.
There were tears of joy and laughter, people shouting that
Oi, corner cutting cretin.
to find peace.
I was wondering to myself, I was like, why the f Does Simon want a meeting with me? He's head of finance. What's going off? Have I done something wrong? Have I been paid too much or too little, or what's going off?
Yeah.
And he when he met me, he says, Rob, he says,
Yeah, thanks, love.
so keep clear, you blend. All of them, all three. You know, she's on roundabout already, kid.
See that? Yeah, it's supposed to be on the back. The cop's pulling him over. Hey, it's called Shut up.
Positive cheery notes. We've got the World Cup draw to look forward to. The best thing for us probably, we'll take a break and then it gives us a bit longer to get this draw underway. But 01419511025, give us all your thoughts. And
DJ61LWV.
Nancy speaking for the first time today as the Celtic manager. What did you make of him? What have your first impressions been, Celtic fans? We'll speak to you next.
Jesus Christ!
You was up.
Take the exit, then keep left to merge onto M2.
Mate, you're on the road. What the f are you doing? Muppet.
decent out.
That, and it helps that weird wind noise you get sometimes. But if you don't have wind deflectors and you, well, what are you doing, you twat? She just stopped. Fair enough pulling out, but keep going. Like.
What are you doing? Okay. Jesus fuck.
Madagdangwagan. Kinridak nandun. Kakabibi hindi yun. Ayun. Bye bye bye. Uhigiya, ikaw. Kanin slow ka na.
katanya. Sudah kali tu. Ikut depan nawat tadi tak?
This is why they broken your soul. Baby, you can't you see. Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashing ways. This is why they broken your and I just love your flashing ways. You sent your son to save us, oh my Lord. Your very self you gave us, oh
Idiot! Coming up on my inside.